So guys, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa isang another video. So, I forgot, ay hindi pala. So, nag-record ako, and my phone is like bugging out and it stopped recording. I don't know. And I found some diamonds, guys. I didn't mine it, so as you can see it, I'm mining it. Oh, there's more. I have two diamonds at my base, my little base. So meron pa rito isa meron dito ito. So ito kita nyo, ano, putik, napakalag ng cellphone. Oh, can you just build? Thank you. One, two, dalawa lang. Man, wala lang yan. Tara, let's go nga. May gagawin kasi akong guys, tricks para maglalagay lang ako ng redstone, babalik na ako sa base. So ang tawag doon ay, what is it called again? Stasis chamber. If I do it correctly, wait guys. Alright. Now let me just do this. And do this. And put the water. Wait, where? Here? Or here? I think here. Yeah, I'm genius, dog. Yeah, I'm genius. Actually, go up na lang. Hindi ko lang gagawin sa base. Obsidian ako dun. I'm not thinking. Bro. Alright, let's go up. Gumana tong stasis chamber sa sabi ko. Mahirap kasi setup yan. Yo bro, let me go. Yo, chill out. Alright, I hope no one. Alright, why the frick is so dark? Yo, chill out. Here's my base. Alright, here's my base. Wait. Di ako nag-pull iron guys. May mineshaft dyan. Okay, let me go to my base. And alright, this is my base. And this is my diamond in here. Like, I have 8 diamonds. Alright, let me set up a stasis chamber machine here. So I'm gonna make another one. Alright, so if I want to set up right here, I'm just gonna be needing this and this. Right there. Oh, there you go. I did it first try. Alright, like I did it first try, guys. Let's go, and I'm gonna put the redstone here. my obsidian here. And gonna make a portal here. One, two, three, four, five. Alright. Quartz lang kailangan ko. Alright. Mamili na pala ako dito. Grabe. Ito lang yung manok din. Let's go, I got it. Okay. I need one piece of iron. Okay, wait. Magtatapon na lang ako ng basura, guys. Tayong basura, tayo. Throw this. Ay, bet. Right there. Let's get some quartz. Quartz, please. There you go, quartz. Like, on a freaking. I'm gonna risk Yo, my freaking phone is not having it. I think this is enough, right? Right? I don't know. Why the frick they hate me, bro? Like, actually. Bro! Oh man, I need something. go. Okay, so I have a 64 place. Go! I need some soul sand, guys. There's a freaking bro. Bro, what is this? Oh, I hear something. Pulling his bow, bro. One soul sand, please. One soul sand. Just one, bro. Just one. Just one, bro. Give me one and I'll be gone. Literally, bro. Oh. Bro, run! Waradu. Oh my god. Why did I just did that, bro? Yo, my phone. Stop lagging on my phone, bro. Stop lagging. Alright. Kailangan make a space chamber right now, guys. I need some soul sand, bro. Bro, why are you here? Why are you here, dog? The heck you want from me, dog? Alright, let me make a stick, a lot of stick. Why did I, oh, the redstone, I forgot. Alright, redstone. Okay, dalawang ganito. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2. Let me get some of this. Don't worry guys, I got this. So, ganito yan guys eh. Bang. Wait. Oh my god, I'm wrong. So, ito dapat yan. And, boom. No bro. One more redstone eh. Dapat pag ganyan yan, oh. Yan, tapos meron dito 1, 2, 3. Hindi. Boom and boom, yan. So I think meron dito 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, what the okay. I may have to freaking use my diamonds for this one, because I'm gonna remove the nether portal on the way, or I'm gonna change the location, but first I need the solution. It's gonna take a while. Alright, it's done finally. Alright, let me put some blocks here. I know to be ugly. Let's go. My God. Brother. Kulang-kulang naman tayo sa ano. Yeah, it's nighttime. Yeah, let me sleep. If I make a stasis chamber today, guys, I'm gonna be happy. Alright. Yo guys, I think this is for today. I'm gonna be back making this stasis chamber with all the materials that I need. So yeah. And see you guys in the next one. And better subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Alright, see you. Darkness out.